good at mazes in games, and it's starting to look like this entire
Agent, behind you. Oh shit! Keep your eyes on it. Alright, we're going to move. Just keep on watching. Look out.
Attention. All personnel report to immediately.
Stop doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not turning. Did I die again? I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot. It's scary. This looks like a dead end. This looks like a dead end. Unless there's something I'm not seeing. I forget what the blink button is. What does it say? Can you flash those words on my screen again? Kill? Is that what it's saying? Can I get a hint? Stand here. Kneel? Oh! I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm trying to look away from it. I can't. I'm just gonna dimension? What? Okay, I forgot what the blink button is. Tab? Not tab. Space!
Agent, behind you. Oh, shit. Keep your eyes on it. Just keep on watching.
God damn it.
Keep your eyes on it.
Oh yeah, I'm watching it. I'm so watching it.
Just keep on watching.
I tried. No, I tried real hard not to blink. I should really be closing northbound. I want to try to actually like
Attention. All personnel report to immediately.
Back to the dungeon. I don't think. Oh. What? Yark. How do I save again? F5? Oh, the teddy bear's gone. Can't go that way. I can't go any of these ways. Uh-oh, did I soft lock myself? I didn't. Light? Just sneak by you. So I can't go through that. Let me. Why do I keep? It keeps turning my head. I think, unfortunately, that's all the time I have for this episode, but